Here are some ideas for what to do with your crop of zucchini this summer. One, zucchini noodles, zoodles. Substitute for pasta in any dish. 2, grilled zucchini, sliced and grilled with olive oil, salt, and pepper. 3, zucchini bread, a moist sweet bread perfect for breakfast or dessert. 4, zucchini muffins, a healthy portable snack. 5, zucchini fritters, pan-fried with a crispy exterior. 6, stuffed zucchini, filled with rice, meat, or vegetables. 7, zucchini, soup, creamy or not, served hot or cold. 8, zucchini, chips, baked or fried for a crunchy snack. 9, zucchini pizza crust, a low-carb alternative to traditional crust. 10, zucchini casserole, layered with cheese and baked. 11, zucchini lasagna, replace pasta with zucchini slices. 12, zucchini pickles, quick pickled for a tangy treat. 13, zucchini salsa, mixed with tomatoes, onions, and herbs. 14, zucchini tacos, grilled or sautéed as a taco filling. 15, zucchini stir-fry, combined with other vegetables and proteins. 16, zucchini salad, raw, sliced thinly, and tossed with dressing. 17, zucchini ratatouille, cooked with eggplant, tomatoes, and peppers. 18, zucchini fries, baked or fried, served with a dipping sauce. 19, zucchini, pancakes, mixed into savory or sweet pancakes. 20, zucchini frittata, baked with eggs, cheese, and herbs. 21, zucchini risotto, stirred into arborio rice with cheese. 22, zucchini smoothie, blended into a green smoothie for extra nutrition. 23, zucchini, relish, a condiment for burgers and sandwiches. 24, zucchini carpaccio, raw, thinly sliced, and dressed with lemon and olive oil. 25, zucchini gratin, baked with breadcrumbs and cheese. 26, zucchini kebabs, skewered and grilled with other vegetables. 27, zucchini pizza topping, sliced and added to pizzas. 28, zucchini tarts, baked in a pastry shell with cheese and herbs. 29, zucchini pesto, blended into a pesto sauce. 30, zucchini omelette, mixed into an omelette with cheese. 31, zucchini burger, formed into patties as a meat substitute. 32, zucchini dip, blended into a creamy dip. 33, zucchini curry, cooked in a spicy curry sauce. 34, zucchini hash, sautéed with potatoes and onions. 35, zucchini breadsticks, shaped and baked as a side dish. 36, zucchini brownies, added to brownie batter for moisture. 37, zucchini sushi, thinly sliced and used as a wrap for sushi ingredients. 38, zucchini rolls, filled with cheese and herbs, then baked. 39, zucchini gazpacho, chilled soup with a zucchini base. 40, zucchini galette, layered with cheese and baked. 41, zucchini hash browns, shredded and fried. 42, Zucchini enchiladas, rolled with fillings and baked. 43. Zucchini tempura, battered and fried. 44. Zucchini pizza bites, sliced and topped with cheese and pepperoni. 45. Zucchini. Hummus, blended into hummus for added nutrition. 46. Zucchini. Slaw, shredded and mixed with cabbage in a coleslaw. 47. Zucchini. Quiche, baked in a pastry crust with eggs and cheese. 48. Zucchini parmesan, breaded cutlets topped with sauce and cheese. 49. Zucchini granita, frozen into a refreshing dessert. 50. Zucchini tartare, finely diced and mixed with herbs and seasoning as a raw appetizer. Thanks for watching. Let us know what you are doing with your zucchini in the comments below. Please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share with your friends.